Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a story from the book of Second Samuel from the Bible. It is a story that holds a great lesson to us and that applies to all of our lives, even in this modern world. In Second Samuel chapter 10, we see that David, the king of Israel, facing a difficult situation. The kingdom of the Amorites have died, and his son Hanun took over the throne. David sent messengers to express his condolence, but Haman listened to bad advice and humiliated David messengers, shaved off half their beard, cutting their garments, and this scene was a insult and a declaration of war. David, being a wise king, did not realize or retaliate in anger. Instead, he assembled his army and went against the Amalekites. They were outnumbered, and battle seemed impossible to win. But David trusted the Lord and asked for his guidance. And the Lord gave him a victory over their enemies, and they were able to defeat the Amalekites. They hired a lot of people, missionaries. From this story, we can learn three important points. First, never underestimate the power of bad advice. Hanan listened to his advisors and led to a disastrous decision, which ultimately led to losing the war. God has a power. He's stronger in every way, every fashion. Listen to him. Call upon him when you're in need.